Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add affiliate links to your site on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. Now, the first step of this process is, of course, to become an affiliate, and you can become an affiliate to pretty much whatever you would like. You can become an Amazon affiliate. You can become an affiliate for some other affiliate marketing program. You just need to go ahead and research on the internet which affiliate program is best for you. If you already have one and you're already an affiliate for some service, that is perfect, and you can then go ahead and start adding your links to your site. Now, there is a mandate which you need to follow, and that is that if you're adding any affiliate links to your site, you do need to add a disclaimer to them. So keep that in mind. Wherever you set up your affiliate links on your site, you do need to have a disclaimer. So for example, I'll be using this page right over here. So let's just go into the edit page just like that. And what we're going to do first is we're going to add a block, and I'm going to add the text block for the affiliate disclaimer. And let me just drag it over here. And let's say, let me edit this a bit more. I'll make it a heading, for example, just to have the text as big as I can. I'll just extend this text space, and I'll write, for example, this is my affiliate link. Click on it if you want to support me. And this is pretty much a good enough example of a disclaimer, so you can use this perfectly fine. Let me just make the text a bit larger. Let me collapse this a bit like so. And now we're just going to go ahead, add a block, and we're going to add a button. Place the button over here, then edit the text to say affiliate link, like so. And now we have our affiliate link button. Then you can go ahead and actually add the link by just selecting URL here, entering the link over here, and that is basically all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.